This question is asked in JEE 2023 and it can be solved by using dimensional analysis. Here they have given V, which is speed of wave, and lambda, which is wavelength of a wave, and G, which is acceleration due to gravity, and rho, which is the density of water. As I said before, this can be solved by using dimensional analysis. So we should know the dimension of speed, wavelength, acceleration due to gravity, and density. And this all can be expressed in a form m, L, and T. What is m, L, T? M is for mass, L is for length, and T is for time. So these three are the fundamental quantities. If you have any doubts in fundamental quantities or derived quantities, you can check my previous videos. Okay, now we have V. The speed, the formula for speed is distance by time. So L T power minus 1. This is the dimension for speed. For wavelength, it is length, that's all. For acceleration due to gravity, it is L T power minus 2. For speed, it is L T power minus 1, and for acceleration, it is L T power minus 2. And for density, the formula for density is mass per volume. So M mass per volume, which is L power minus 3. So these are the dimensions. Now we have to equate the LHS and the RHS term. So the formula here is V is equal to lambda power A, G power B, and rho power C. So V, as I said, it can be represented in the form M, L, T. So for velocity there is no mass term, so it is m power 0, L power 1 and T power minus 1, which is equal to, for lambda, MLT, so m power 0, L power 1, T power 0, the whole power A. For acceleration due to gravity, it is m power 0, L power 1, T power minus 2, the whole power B. For not mass, it's density, which is mass by volume. So m power 1, L power minus 3, and T power 0. There is no time quantity in density, the whole power C. So now we have to equate the LHS and the RHS. Before, we can take the powers inside. So m power 0 into A is m power 0, L power A, and T power 0. For the next term, m power 0, L power B, T power minus 2B. For the last term, m power C, L power minus 3C, and T power 0. Furthermore, we have to take m And for m we have 3 terms here, 1, 2, 3, which is 0 plus 0. We have to add the terms because they are in multiplication, so we have to add the powers, plus c. Then L, we have a. In the first term it is a, in the second term it is plus b, in the third term we have L power minus 3c. Then moving on, for time we have t power 0, we have t power minus 2b. For the last term we have once again 0. Now add the powers. For m it is 0 plus 0 is 0 and 0 plus c is c. M power c, L power a plus b minus 3c, and t power 0 minus 2b is minus 2b plus 0 is minus 2b. Sorry, I think, yeah, it's minus 2b. It's right. This is the RHS and we have LHS, m power 0, L power 1 and t power minus 1. Now we have to equate the LHS and RHS by equating the powers. If we look, we equate for m, we have the power term m power 0 is equal to m power c. So since the base are same, the powers will be equal. So we have c is equal to 0. This is one solution. Then we will solve for t, which is t power minus 1 is equal to t power minus 2b. Since the base are same, we can equate the power, which is minus 1 is equal to minus 2b. Minus n can be cancelled, so 1 is equal to 2b. Therefore b is equal to 1 by 2. For the last one, which is for length, L power 1 is equal to L power a plus b minus 3c. So 1 is equal to a plus b minus 3c. Now substitute for b and c. So a plus 1 by 2 minus 3 multiplied by 0. So anything multiplied by 0 will be 0. So your answer is a plus half, which is equal to 1. So a is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2. So your answer will be 1 by 2. So the final answer is a is equal to 1 by 2, b is equal to 1 by 2 and c is equal to 0. So this is the answer. we can check the options. So here we have option number D, which is the right answer. We have 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 0. So this is how we have to do this sum. First we have to take the dimensions of all the given quantities by expressing it in terms of MLT, mass, length and time. If any quantity is not given, here for example speed is denoted by length per time, L t power minus 1. Here we don't have mass term, so we can take it as m power 0. M power 0 is 1, so L power 1. Any term is not given means it has the power 1 and t power minus 1. Here also m power 0, L power 1 and t power 0. And for here it is m power 0, L power 1 and t power minus 2. Here we have mass, so m power 1, L power minus 3, and the time term is not given, so it is t power 0. Then we have to equate the equations. On both LHS and RHS by writing the dimensions, and we just want to add the powers because all the terms are in multiplications, and to get to a final form like this. And from here on we have to equate both the terms. From LHS and RHS we have to equate both the terms. For mass it is 0, so in the LHS it is 0, in the RHS we have C, so the power of C will be 0. Then for length we can't do because there are two unknown quantities, so we are moving on to time, in which we can find for B. So B is 1 by 2. Now we have two terms, we can find the third term, which is A in the length. So A is equal to 1 by 2. So I hope you would have understand this problem. And thanks for watching.